Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Well, this is a perfect weather to enjoy a cup of nice and hot soup. Today I am going to share a healthy and wholesome Ragi vegetable soup. This is very simple and easy to make, so let's get started and check it out. So the first step is to dissolve the ragi flour with a little water. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of ragi flour to a bowl. You can add about 1.5 cups of just water at room temperature and mix it well so the ragi flour is completely dissolved. So once you've mixed it well, keep this aside. Let's start making the soup. Take a nice wide and deep saucepan. Once the pan is hot, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. To this add 1 large onion finely chopped. Next I'm adding about 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute this just for about a minute or so. This is a very healthy and wholesome soup that we are making now. Once the onions are translucent, add 1 cup of chopped fresh beans. Add a cup of chopped carrots. Next add a cup of sweet corn kernels and a cup of fresh green peas. Just saute the vegetables for 2 minutes. Look how beautiful and colorful this is. Now I have added all these 4 vegetables, but you can add other vegetables of your choice. After about 2 minutes, let's start seasoning the vegetables, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now you can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Just give it all a nice mix. Cook the vegetables for about 10 minutes, keeping the flame on medium. So I'm making this ragi soup entirely in my style with the flavors that I really liked. So I'm pouring about 1 liter of water. You can adjust the quantity of water depending on the quantity of soup you want to make. Close the pan and let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So those of you who are looking to lose some weight, this ragi vegetable soup is a great recipe for weight loss. So after 10 minutes, you can see the vegetables are all cooked perfectly. So next I'm going to add the dissolved ragi mixture. So after adding the ragi mixture, I'm adding 1 large tomato finely chopped. I want to have a nice bite on my tomatoes when I have the soup. I don't want them mushy. So that's the reason why I've added them in the end. So after 15 minutes, you can see the soup has thickened beautifully. At this point, you can check for seasoning and add a bit of salt and pepper if you like. Finally, turn off the stove. I'm finishing off by adding the juice of half lemon and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Gently mix that in. Our wholesome, healthy and delicious vegetable ragi soup is ready to be enjoyed. Serve this delicious ragi vegetable soup nice and hot. Well, it's time to enjoy this really wholesome and hot ragi soup. Well, I prefer a thick and creamy soup. What do you guys prefer? A thick soup or a light one? Let me know in the comment section. While I enjoy this one. Wow, look at all those vegetables. It's just got all the perfect flavors and it's all so well balanced. All the goodness of the vegetables, the flavors are just amazing. If you'd like to see more ragi based recipes, let me know in the comment section. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.